Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. So in today's episode, we will explore how to export data from Pandas to various file formats such as CSV, Excel. Let's learn how to save our data for further analysis and sharing. So to demonstrate these techniques, let's use a sample data set. Imagine we have sales data for different products A, B, C and regions, north, south and east. Now, into this code, I have created a data frame df using the sales data. Now, moving ahead, let's first move to data to CSV file. So with this just one line of code, we can use the toCSV function to save our data frame as a CSV file. We have specified index is equal to false to exclude the row index in the exported file. So let's run the data. It run. Let's see the data if it is exported to CSV. Yeah, it pastes the data. It exported the data. Now, moving ahead, for exporting to Excel, we can use toExcel function. We provide the file name data2excel.xlsx will set index equals to false to exclude the row index and specify the sheet name as sales in the Excel file. Let me run this code. This is run. Let's check if the data is exported. We can see the data is here. So that is how with this one line of codes we can easily export our data to Excel or CSV or some other file format. And that's wrap up for our quick tutorial on exporting data from Pandas to CSV Excel. Now you can save your data with ease and share it for further analysis and reporting. Stay tuned for more exciting topic in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.